Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to talk about some other blood smear comments. So in the previous video lecture we talked about normochromic related comments. In this video lecture we are going to see the hypochromic related comments. So hypochromic, if you guys remember, we already talked about it. Hypochromic means that the color of the RBC or the HB level are very low. We call it hypochromic. Okay, and when the cell are normal in size, when you see that the cell are normal in size but the cell have low HB, so we call that hypochromic normocytic blood picture. In this case the blood picture report will have low value of HB and normal value of MCV. So then this is called hypochromic normocytic blood picture. Next is the hypochromic normocytic blood picture with leukocytosis and leukocytopenia and so on. So this type of the comment will be given when you see that in the microscopic field the RBC have a very, in the middle area of the RBC they have white central area, and the white central area is a large. We call it hypochromic, but the RBC size and shape is normal. So then we call it hypochromic normocytic. And when you see that there is high leukocytes or low leukocyte, then we give as leukocytosis or leukocytopenia. And when you see that there is a high thrombocytes or low thrombocyte, then we give that thrombocytosis or thrombocytopenia. Next we have another comments, that is hypochromic normocytic anemia. It means that although we have HB level is low and the MCV is normal and RBC value are also low, so then this condition is called a hypochromic normocytic anemia. Okay, so you must have the blood picture report, CBC report I mean. Then the fourth comment says that hypochromic microcytic blood picture. It means that we have the MCV value, we have the MCV value, but it is get low. And one thing more, that we have the HB value is also low. So then this is called as hypochromic microcytic blood picture. And when you see that there is a thrombocytes, but the thrombocytes are low in number or high in number, and when you see that there is a leukocyte and the leukocyte value are low or high, so then at that condition we will give hypochromic microcytic blood picture with thrombocytosis if the thrombocytes are high, or when it is low then we call that with thrombocytopenia, or when the leukocyte get high then we say that with leukocytosis, and when it is low then we say that with leukocytopenia. So this is really important, you have to see all the things. Next comment is hypochromic macrocytic anemia. It means RBC level is low, the value of RBC is low, the value of MCV is low, and the value of MCHC and MCH is also low. So then this is called as hypochromic macrocytic anemia. In the microscopic field you will see small size of the RBC, and in the RBC, in the middle of the RBC there is a large central white area. Then we have a next comment that says the hypochromic macrocytic blood picture. It means MCV value is high in the blood cell report, in the CBC report. MCV value high, MCHC and MCH value low. Then it is called a hypochromic macrocytic blood picture. And in the microscopic field, when you see that RBC are large size and they have large central pale area. Then we have another comment that is about hypochromic macrocytic blood picture with thrombocytopenia or thrombocytosis and so on. It means when you see that the value of MCHC and MCH and the value of when the value of MCHC, the value of MCHC is get low and the value of MCV get high, and the value of leukocyte are also get high, we call that hypochromic macrocytic leukocytosis. And when the leukocyte value are low, we call that leukocytopenia. When the thrombocyte value are high, we call that thrombocytosis, and when the thrombocyte value are low, we call that thrombocytopenia. Okay, next we have another comment, that is the hypochromic macrocytic anemia. It means that MCH and MCHC value are low, MCV value are high, RBC value are also low. This is called as hypochromic macrocytic anemia. And in this case, when you see in the microscopic field, you will see that a large RBC size, and in the central area there will be a large white portion is present, and RBC level are also low. So this is about the hypochromic related comments. In the next video we will explain the hyperchromic comments. Okay, hyperchromic related comments. Thank you so much for watching that video.